Like, I think a lot of people kind of went going into it kind of like, okay, we're going to talk about these differences between black groups of people and white groups of people and how this impacts us and how we relate to each other because of the way that we see each other, something like that. But I feel like you didn't really realize what was going on while you were at the workshop, but once you left, it was like, wow, like I was able to talk to just this group of people as people, not look at them as black people or white people, or are they really going to understand my story and where I'm coming from just because, we don't have the same color skin, so we probably don't have the same background, And I think that it was just interesting to see how many different ways you can relate to different people of different races, even though they don't go through the exact same trials and tribulations. So I feel like that was like a really good takeaway point for the survey and like, what it was about, the workshop.
I mean, that's awesome. That's exactly what I'm hoping for from the workshop. How much of this, I apologize for asking, but because it is exactly what I'm hoping for. Mm-hmm. This is really how you feel. You're not just saying this to be nice.
Yeah, no, this is really how I felt. Like after I walked away, I mean, I'm not saying that I could really go out and do that in everyday situation now just because of the workshop, but in that moment in time, I literally wasn't looking at other people first by, this person's black, this person's white, they're not going to be able to understand what I'm going through. Like my two partners were both white. And so me coming out and being able to share my story, it wasn't even me looking at, okay, this person might not be able to get it. I just went with the flow because that was kind of the atmosphere that was created, to be vulnerable, to kind of put yourself out there and to not be judged for it.